Hey there, preppers. Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today, we're tackling a common concern for many of you, prepping on a budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to be prepared. Let's dive into some affordable essentials and DIY solutions to help you build your stockpile without breaking the bank. First things first, make a plan. List out the essentials you'll need: food, water, medical supplies, and basic tools. Prioritize these items based on what's most important for your specific situation. Food is a top priority. Focus on non-perishable items that are budget-friendly. Canned goods, rice, pasta, and dried beans are excellent choices. Buy in bulk to save money. Don't forget about nutrient-dense options like peanut butter and canned meats. You can often find great deals at discount stores, warehouse clubs, and even online. Keep an eye out for sales and use coupons to maximize your savings. Water is essential for survival. Instead of buying expensive bottled water, consider storing tap water in clean, reused containers. Make sure to rotate your water supply every 6 months. You can also invest in an affordable water filter or purification tablets for emergencies. Medical supplies can add up, but you can create a basic first aid kit with items from the dollar store. Stock up on bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. Don't forget to include some multi-purpose items like duct tape and super glue, which can be used in medical emergencies. Basic tools and supplies are crucial. You don't need to buy everything at once. Start with essentials like a multi-tool, a good knife, and a flashlight with extra batteries. Thrift stores and garage sales can be great places to find affordable gear. DIY solutions can save you money and provide a sense of accomplishment. For example, make your own fire starters using dryer lint and egg cartons. Simply pack the lint into the carton compartments, pour melted wax over them, and let them harden. Another cost-effective project is setting up a rainwater collection system. All you need is a few barrels and a rain gutter. It's an excellent way to ensure you have a backup water source without spending a lot. Prepping on a budget is absolutely doable with a bit of planning and creativity. Start small, focus on the essentials, and look for affordable alternatives and DIY solutions. Remember, every step you take towards preparedness is a step in the right direction. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Doomsday Prepper for more survival and prepping advice. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.